Maringi po kay kayungan. Makisabi kay pong mayap, ala na pa pong lulwal ka rin baleta mo o magtambay kindalan.
Mayap oras po kay kayong kabaryo. Kasalukuyan sana po mga 24 hours quarantine. Hanggang mangyari po tanabalulwal ka rin kaya naman si Bane-Bane.
Basta po, may iwas naganap ng virus.
Mutianing San Lorenzo is strong.
Mutianing San Lorenzo is resilient.
Mutianing San Lorenzo is brave.
Mutianing San Lorenzo is driven.
Mutianing San Lorenzo is determined.
Mutianing San Lorenzo is optimistic.
Mutianing San Lorenzo is compassionate.
Mutianing San Lorenzo is powerful.
Uniquely and confidently beautiful women vying for one outstanding title. This is Mutianing San Lorenzo 2022.